Full speed ahead. Oh, there's Sarah. I don't know what she does. You just hit the fence. You can keep going.
I didn't even.
Where are you, Luigi? Go backwards, then go forward. Yeah, one's backwards.
Who's winning?
I think Will is.
Right, I think Will is.
Get out of the road, cow, I'll run you over. Look out. You're going to watch the cows here.
Alright.
I don't think I.
Oh, you've got to go slow with the cows, have you?
Or you can go around them.
Huh?
I
Or
don't
you
think.
can go around them.
I don't think you do that because they might kill you. They kill you in the farm.
Is that right?
Yeah, look. If you see me on the screen, I'll.
Oh, they slow you down or something, isn't
No,
it?
let's do you this.
Oh, now Granddad's picking up some speed.
Let's do